Hey guys, it's Ella here from Calling Tennessee Home, and today I wanted to share with you this Nectar drink mix. It's 0 calorie, sugar-free, electrolyte drink mix that you put in 16 ounces of water. This is actually the variety pack. It's got 30 individual servings in here and a whole bunch of flavors: lemon, orange, berry, watermelon, cherry, pomegranate, and even strawberry lemonade. So let's give it a try. Here's the single serving packet it comes in. Today I'm going to give the strawberry lemonade a try. I have 16 ounces of water here, and I'm actually going to stir it up with my straw. You can put it in a regular closed water bottle and shake it up as well. It's got a very light flavor without being overly sweet, but it definitely has a good taste to it. Again, this was the Nectar. I had the variety pack with 30 different servings, no sugar, keto friendly, and it really hydrates you.